Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am Anna Maria and you are watching Miracle Orchids, the place you can learn everything there is to know about growing orchids. Alright guys, in this video we are going to move the Oncidium Sharry Baby that is in spike at the moment into a self-watering pot. It is already in semi-hydro, but it is drinking the water way too fast for my style of watering, so I will move it into semi-hydro. And look at those spikes, it has 3 of them, and it needs some more water to properly grow. So what I am going to do now, it is to take it out of this semi-hydro pot. A few months ago, about 2 or 3 months ago, it was completely rootless. I rooted it in moss, then I moved it in semi-hydro, and we can see a lot of the root tips are green, they are growing. I have also some new growths in here, and in many other sides. So I think it is time to move it into a self-watering pot, and I think it fits perfectly from what I am seeing right now. So I will show you. It is a customized self-watering pot. We can see it here. It has some holes. I put a microfiber string, and here will be the reservoir. It just has some little leca balls. So I'm going to reuse the same medium, and if I need, I will add more of it. So I will go ahead and put the orchid centered inside the pot, because my orchid has new growths all over the place. So this is a new suitable, this is a new suitable. Here I have a new growth, new suitable, new growth, new suitable. So it is pretty much growing in a circle, so I believe it is good for it to stay like this. So I will go ahead now and add the rest of the medium. Okay guys, and my orchid is now potted up. It looks really nice. Now it has even more space to grow. Oopsie. Because in the past or in the old pot, the orchid did not have any more space to grow new suitables. So now it will be a much happier orchid, let's say. The spikes will continue to grow. She did not even feel I have repotted her. This is the beauty of semi-hydro and the inorganic media. So a bit of history about this orchid. I bought her about 6 months ago from Secret Garden. It had some roots, but they were in bark. As soon as I put her in semi-hydro, the old roots died. When my cat knocked out the orchid to the floor, I have seen that it still has snails, even though I had sprayed it with hydrogen peroxide, and the old roots died. So I went ahead, cut off all the dead roots, sprayed it again with hydrogen peroxide, and now she is full of roots, free of snails, and with 3 gorgeous spikes, which will continue to grow a few more months. This orchid takes about 3 to 6 months to grow fully the spikes, because they grow very much in height, and then they start to produce branches, and I think this orchid actually will produce some. So I am super excited to see that out. Now about the self-watering pot, as I said, it is a customized pot, and here we can see that. Let me do this. So if I put the orchid like this, I can see that the level of water will be pretty much in here, so I know by eye how much I will need to put. Oopsie. Come on. When it did not have any media, it did stay just nice. I think I just need a bit more exercise to properly put this thing in here. Now it's more heavy, and this is why it is doing this. There we go. It stays just nice, and yeah, I am applying the usual semi-hydro care that you know I am giving to all my orchids. So 250 ppm of nitrogen, about 350-400 ppm in total. Quite a lot of sunlight, and Yeah, if you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!